That concludes my presentation. Can I get the lights, please?
That is how lights are traditionally controlled in a meeting. Someone has to get up and flip the switch in order to turn the lights on or off during a presentation or a video. Wouldn't it be easier if the presenter could just press a single button from where they're seated in order to dim the lights or turn them back on? What about having the lights shut off automatically when everyone has left the room after a meeting? AMX has recently introduced the NetLinks ClearConnect Gateway, a solution that enables our dealers to add lighting control to any room with an AMX controller using Lutron switches and dimmers. Because it's a wireless solution, there's no need to run control wires throughout all the walls. Instead, adding lighting control is as simple as changing out a light switch and plugging in a wireless gateway. AMX's Senior Product Manager, Doug Hall, is standing by to walk you through just how simple it is to add ClearConnect to a typical conference room. Take it away, Doug.
We're going to take you into this room, which has been commissioned with AMX ClearConnect. Notice that when we walk in, the occupancy sensors detected our presence. Now, this room is equipped with different technology managed by AMX. NetLinks NI700 controller, HydroPort, connectivity with keypad for controlling the lights within the room. All right, let's talk about the basic components of the switches and devices in this room. So this first thing is a switch. It's just a standard electrical switch. You can hand it off to an electrician. It comes with instructions in the packaging, and it looks and wires just like a basic electric switch. Next we have the sensor. This occupancy sensor communicates wirelessly, uses a battery, the 10-year battery life, and it mounts through 3 different means. Simple to set up. You just add the battery. And once you add the battery, you set the timeout period, which indicates how much time the room is unoccupied before the sensor tells the gateway to do an action. The activity settings allow for anywhere from a high occupancy rate room to one that people are typically sitting and reading. This can be mounted to the ceiling using screws, ceiling tile wires, or a double back adhesive, all supplied with the kit. One like this is already mounted in this room. Okay, next we're going to talk about the ClearConnect Gateway. This device communicates wirelessly to all the sensors, keypads, and switches in the room. Connects to the network through the RJ45 connector and runs off a 5-volt power supply that's included. So once all those components are installed in the room, then all you have to do is program them and configure. That includes activating all the devices, setting up scenes, and testing out your system. A typical system like this, with these components, takes less than 30 minutes to set up. Next, we're going to go in and do the configuration through the software. What we're looking at is a configuration page. We've already gone in and added all the devices by simply tapping on the switches and sensors. By doing that, it communicates directly with the gateway and then adds that device to the system. The final step is using the Program tab to create scenes for multiple lighting zones. This is great for video conference rooms and for presentations. This really allows you to add lighting simply to AMX control systems and allows you to shut off the lights when the rooms are not in use.
Thanks, Doug. As he mentioned, the NetLinks ClearConnect Gateway is a fantastic way to add lighting control to all your AMX installations. And you can even go to all your existing customers and offer them a retrofit to add lighting control. Because it's a wireless solution, you can upgrade each room in just a matter of minutes. Boost your revenue while helping your customers save money by automatically switching off lights in rooms when they're not in use. To learn more about the ClearConnect solution from AMX and Lutron, please visit www.amx.com.